Alright, I just stopped off at my local steel yard here, my scrap yard, and picked up 3 sheets of 045, so let's get them home. See what we're going to do with this stuff. Alright, all loaded up, let's get the heck out of here. Alright, so we're back in the garage. Go-kart's back in the garage. Got 3 sheets of aluminum in the garage. So, let's make some templates. And instead of grinding and welding on this, I might just go to Home Depot or something and buy some clamps and rivet the panels to the clamps, see how that works out for me. Try that first. Alright, so we set this piece up here. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to put a little bend in it right here to kick up. But I'm probably going to do some bead rolling in this if I can. It's a really big piece. I don't know. We'll see. And I think I'm going to roll this front edge down if I can too. So we'll see how this stuff works and mark it all out. Cut it to size. Bend it and figure out what we're going to do here. Alright, well, first thing I gotta do is figure out if these nibblers are even gonna cut this. It's just a little brittle. I don't know how it's gonna bend. We'll find out, I guess. A few failed attempts there. Got it kind of close with that pipe, but I don't have any really good clamps. If I could clamp it really good, I could probably bend it, but I hammered it, and I'll probably try and smooth it out somehow. Or maybe not. I'll flip it over and bend that other side up a little bit. Fit it to the buggy. Well, it was scrap, so it is all scratched up already, so I can't be too picky with it. A little rough right now, but it's going to work. Up the back, so I think I'm just going to try and figure out a design. Put some lines in this, give it a little rigidity. Call that a day. We'll mount her up. Strength in her now. It's not too bad. It didn't work on me too bad, so. Should be good. Nothing fancy. Just a little strength, that's all it is. See it a little work. I think I'm just going to drill a few holes and throw some rivets in here for now. Don't getting too fancy with this thing. Don't have a lot of time to spend on it, so we're going to do it the quick and down and dirty way. If I decide to change it in the future, I'll just weld those holes up. They're small 1/8 inch holes, so no big deal. here, so I added this cherry piece to clean it up right there. Really made it nice and smooth. Just went over it with the finisher, cleaned it up a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna paint it, leave it aluminum. I'll figure that out down the road. Just rivet it on, so just drill out the rivets and pop it off. Not too hard. Turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. So we'll continue on. We got hood and sides and a bunch of stuff still to come. So. All right. Well, that took a lot longer than it should have. If I had a slip roller, I could have made that bend a lot easier. But it turned out pretty good. So it is just an off-road machine that's going to get beat on. So we don't want to be too particular about it. I know a lot of guys out here that have these nice lifted trucks with big tires and suspension kits and thousands of dollars tied up into them, and you'll never see dirt. So I don't want to be that guy. I'd rather have a few scratches on it when I put it together, go out and abuse it and have fun. That's my take on things. That's why I built it. I built it to abuse it, and if it breaks, I'll fix it. So hopefully we get out next weekend and abuse it, maybe jump it or something. So if you guys like this, I'm going to be doing some more on it tomorrow. I got 2 more pieces of aluminum. Hood here. Might make some of this hinge. I don't know, probably not now. I'm going to be going all these openings down below, these triangle pieces. But these pieces right here are going to be very tricky. I don't know if you can see this, but you see how that angle changes? It's possible. It's just going to be tricky. I might have a bend in it going on a diagonal to make it work, but that'll be fine. And that piece I should be able to fit in my brake, so that'll be all good. And we'll get to that tomorrow and see if we get some more done. Thanks for watching.